Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a liner makeup look. This is what I do when I'm trying to feel fierce and really feel myself. First off, after my skincare, I'm going to use the NARS Radiance Primer. I love this primer. It's not really a primer for minimizing pores and stuff. It's more just like a radiance primer under your foundation so you look extra glowy and dewy. For foundation, I'm going to use the Lottie London Velvet Skin Tint. I love this because it's very light and it sinks into the skin very nicely. At first it looks like it's not my shade, but you'll see that it matches perfectly, so you don't need to worry about that. But yeah, as it says, it's a very velvety finish, very skin-like and light, so it barely feels like anything on the skin, and I love that for that reason. It's not so much a foundation for concealing anything, it's more just for like evening out skin tone, which is what I wanted to do. And then for concealer or highlight, I'm taking the YSL Touche Eclat. This is one of my favorites, as I mentioned in my concealer video. And I like to just put that in a triangle shape. I don't usually do this with other concealers or highlighters, but with this one I can just be very free because it blends so easily, so I'm not very scared to use it. As it says by the name, this isn't for concealing, this is again for highlighting, so don't expect much coverage. This is just to brighten up my under eye and just, you know, add some dimension into my face. It blends so easily, which is why it's my go-to. It's just so easy with fingers, with brushes, anything you want to use, it just blends so nicely. For brows, I'm not doing much. I wanted it to be quite natural, so I'm just using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter and just brushing everything up. No pencil, no nothing. For eyeshadow, also, I'm going to keep it very simple. This is a NARS Orgasm palette. I'm going to take the darker brown shade. It's very shimmery as well. And just putting that all over my lid very roughly. It doesn't have to be precise. This eyeliner pen has grown to be one of my favorites. It's the Benefit Roller Liner, and it's a very fine tip. But on this occasion, I think it's because I was filming, it didn't go to plan, so I had to redo it once. But yeah, it's a very fine tip, so it gives a very thin line on the end, which is what I like to do. But if you do make a mistake, you'll see that I just get a Q-tip and just wipe it all off. Usually when I'm filming, I can do this within like 10 seconds, but I felt the added pressure to make sure it was on camera and stuff, which is why it's been so slow. For mascara, I'm taking the YSL Volume Mascara. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's one where it's like, it does everything. It curls, it lengthens, it just adds drama. It's a great one if you're not wearing false lashes, but of course with liner, I feel like I have to have big eyelashes, so it doesn't look too bare, so that's why I'm going for this mascara. The Too Faced Sweetie Pie bronzer is a great bronzer just to wear on its own. It's got some blush pigments and highlight pigments, so you can just wear it on its own, but I did go in with a blush, and this blush I'm going to use is a great drugstore blush. It's like a NARS Orgasm dupe. It's got some gold highlight in there, but it's a very nice pink as well. So I definitely recommend this highlight and blush. I'd say it's a highlight and blush combo. Now, I get a lot of questions on my lips and what lip combos I like. I'm currently loving this Rimmel Pink Candy lip liner. It's a very bright pink, but because my lips are already a very pinky shade, it doesn't look too wild. And I like to pair it with this YSL cream lipstick. This is one of my favorites. I wear it in like every tutorial I do. It's just like the most comfortable finish, and it's just a really nice pink shade. So this is one of my favorites. just setting that all in place with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So yeah, this is the final look. This is just my hair after a few days of washing it. It's a bit all over the place, but I think it adds to the look, if that makes sense. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this and recreate this look. Please do like, comment, and subscribe.